Assalamu alaikum dear students. As we are discussing about human impact on ecosystem, now we are going to discuss land pollution. What is land pollution? The rubbish thrown on a land by human and other animals cause a land to be polluted. It is known as land pollution. If these are not properly disposed, that make us around dirty and smelly and attract other animals such as rats and other insects that may spread a disease. Some rubbish may be recycled to produce any other useful products. Some are burned in incineration plant. Some cannot be burned in incineration plant as they give off poisonous gases. These must be buried into landfills. What are the landfills? Landfills are the area where the waste material are disposed or buried. But there are few consequences of the burying of these waste into landfills. First of all, when buried waste seep into the underground water, they will pollute underground water. And these underground water, when mixed with river or ocean, that may cause them for unfit for a drinking. As another consequence is that it may produce a methane gas due to decomposition of a waste by the bacteria found on the landfills. As methane is also a greenhouse gas that lead to the global warming. This is all about land pollution. Now we are going to discuss about introduction of a foreign species. Introduction of a foreign species may affect the native species, that may be positively or in most cases negatively. But most cases it is negatively affected. We can make you understand by studying a case that is found on page 139. Dodo is found on the island of Emeritus, having no natural predators. As dodo no need to fly, so it lost its ability to fly. But in 1505, Portuguese set a foot on an island and killed dodo for its food. Later on, a rat and pigs and monkey brought by the Dutch to the island, they ate up dodo, and in 1681, the dodo became extinct as is unable to fly, and the Portuguese and the Dutch are the responsible for extinction of dodo. Now our next topic is our exploitation of our natural resources. What does our exploitation means? The using of our natural resources until they are run off from an ecosystem. There are a few examples. First of all, we are going to discuss our hunting. What is our hunting? Our hunting means our exploitation of our wildlife, resulting in animals to become endangered or extinct. There are two terminologies used: endangered and extinct. What does endangered mean? Endangered means any animal that are nearly going to be extinct. And what does extinct means? Any animal that become finished or vanished from an ecosystem. We have example of a dinosaur that is extinct from an ecosystem, and many other example of an endangered species, for example lion, and any other example, they're going to be extinct in a natural ecosystem. Due to our hunting, that will decrease the biodiversity and may disturb the dynamic equilibrium of an ecosystem. Many animals are hunted for different purposes. For example, we have a bison that is hunt for a meat. Leopard and tigers that hunt for the skin, their skins are used for making coat and rugs. Musk deers are hunt for their glands, and their glands used for making perfume. Furry mammals are used for hunt for their furs, as their furs are used to making coats. Shark are killed for fins, as their fins are very delicious Chinese cuisine. Seahorses are hunted for medicinal values, and elephant hunts for their tusk, as they are using